Hi you guys. She's better having a party. Hi you guys, how's everyone doing? I hope everyone is doing well. I just wanted to come in and give you guys an update on the garden. Yeah, it's looking pretty sad. We had a lot, oh my goodness, we had a lot of weather that got down in the teens for quite a few days, like in it's sad. It's sad. But it's not all lost, because the things that didn't make it, which was pretty much a good amount of things, some of them I'm gonna leave because they might possibly jump back, because the heart of them is still pretty good and still pretty strong. Like the mustard greens, they may make it if I cut the outer sides off and just I probably cover them really good this time, because that's the number one thing that possibly could have done it. I didn't get out there and cover them like I should have in time. So yeah, that possibly could have done it. But also, like, sometimes I've seen where people cover their crops thoroughly and really good and still didn't survive. So yeah, it is what it is. I'm not gonna take it too hard, even though I kind of am, because it's like you put your all into something and you see it growing. You go out there and you talking to it like, yeah, you're doing a good job, keep it going, girls, let's keep it going, plants, let's keep it going. And then next day you go out and it's like, ooh, what happened? Yeah, so that's the only thing. But I mean, it still comes back around in a good way, because I can still feed my worms. I probably chop some of this up and give it to my worms, and also chop some of this up and put it back into the soil. And I can still probably preserve some of it, like my kale. I was going to preserve my kale and dehydrate it and make it into like a kale powder to put into my smoothies and stuff. So I probably still can do that. I'll probably go out there and harvest pretty good amount of that. Otherwise, yeah, we got spring coming and we're still planting things. And oh, my seedlings did survive. That's the crazy thing. Like, they're the smallest thing and they survived, but they were in the greenhouse. But yeah, we still got life going. We're not gonna get down about it. We're just gonna keep going. If things don't survive, just keep going, keep pushing. Things happen, and you know, we'll get a good harvest out of the next one that comes around. Someone is upset about something. Yes, ma'am. Yeah. So yeah, I just wanted to come in and give you guys an update. I guess this little one needs my attention about something. Yes, ma'am. Oh, that's snotty nose. What is it, sweet, sweet? Oh, you ready to go? We're going to do some errands, do some hi guys with your dirty nose. Say, look at my dirty nose. I have a little cold. Yeah, let's clean that. Ooh. Oh. So yeah, yes, we're getting ready to do some errands, some house errands. And oh, I also, yes, let's not touch that. Oh no, let's not do that. Okay, well, I'm going to check back in with you guys later.
Hi guys.
Yeah.
How you doing?
How you doing?
How you
yeah,
doing?
anyway, I just wanted to come give you guys an update on the garden and how it's doing. And we're not stopping. We're going to keep pushing. We're going to keep doing this thing, okay? So so let's go out and sow a seed. All right, guys. Bye.